If you've got adventure in your blood and your favourite thing in life is searching to see what's over that next hill, then the Adventure King's MT1 camper trailer has been built just for you. This amazing, modular and highly customisable camper trailer hasn't just been built with camping in mind. We've designed it to be highly capable off-road, so it'll follow you anywhere. From Cape York to the Simo, from Coffs Harbour to Tassie, from the Victorian High Country to the Kimberley, wherever you want to go, the Adventure King's MT1 will take you there in style and comfort. In this video, join me for a detailed look at the design features that make the MT1 built for the extremes. This is only one small part of what makes the MT1 the ultimate adventure trailer. So please make sure you watch our detailed walkthrough videos on lifestyle features, accommodation options, 12-volt electrical system, suspension, brakes and chassis, and the incredible design and R&D process behind each and every trailer. The last thing you want when you're halfway along a tough track is to get stuck because you're towing a low-riding sled of a trailer. That's the last thing you'll have on your mind whenever you're towing the MT1. Just check out that clearance. Sitting level, there's 585 millimeters of clearance under the drawbar and the chassis, thanks to the lifted coil-sprung dual-shock independent suspension system. At the rear, the MT1 has a departure angle of 32 degrees. That means the trailer can comfortably handle dropping down big rock steps or following your four-wheel drive up and over big obstacles and through deep ruts. And while we're talking clearances, let's jump underneath and have a look. There's a huge 330 mm of clearance underneath each independent suspension trailing arm, which is built out of 60 by 60 mm, 5 mm thick powder coated steel, with a 3 mm laser cut bash plate welded to the bottom. And because the suspension is independent, there's even more clearance in between the suspension arms, 530 mm up to the 100-litre water tank's built-in bash plate. Of course, there's so much more I could tell you about that amazing suspension system, like the Australian design, specially valved Oztec 63 mm shock absorbers, the ability to wheel align the trailer for tyre longevity, or the ultra heavy duty polyurethane bushes. But I'll save all that info for the suspension, brakes and chassis video. Don't miss it. Making the most of that clearance is a set of 265 75/16 mud terrain tyres mounted to these beautiful 16x8 zero offset alloy wheels. That's a 31-inch mud tyre in the old money, so you'll have heaps of clearance and no shortage of traction in just about any off-road situation. The trailer has also been specifically designed with a wheel track of 1,558 mm, which is very close to most four-wheel drives on the tracks today. In practical terms, that means the trailer's tyres will follow the same line as the tow vehicles, minimising drag in soft terrain such as sand and mud. The toughest trailer in the world is next to useless off-road if you haven't got the right coupling to match. And for those serious about wanting the best, there's the genuine Cruisemaster DO35 3.5 tonne drop-on hitch. The platinum standard in off-road couplings, this amazing piece of engineering uses a two-stage ADR-compliant locking mechanism to connect to the included forged toe pin, instantly and positively locking your trailer on at the push of a button, as soon as the jockey wheel is raised off the ground. The MT1 has the type of off-road ability that other trailers can only dream of. And the best part is, with a base tear weight of just 870 kilos, you'll barely notice it's there. Even if you load it to its aggregate tear mass of 1,500 kilos, it's still hundreds of kilos lighter than many forward and rear fold camper trailers on the market. So your trailer won't hold you back from where you want to go, even if you've got a sedan, a station wagon, or an SUV. You're going to love where your Adventure King's MT1 camper trailer will take you. And the best part is, when you get there, you'll be geared up to camp in style and comfort. Don't miss the rest of our detailed walkthrough videos to learn more about this amazing camper trailer. Got a question you want answered? We'd love to help. Give us a call 7 days a week on 1800 88 39 64.